Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji V, aka Design Mom. So in this video, I'm gonna clean my bar cart. It's been a minute. It's quite dirty and dusty, so I haven't given my bar cart a deep clean in a long time. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. We are going to clean it up and get it all sparkling again. So that's her in the background. So that's what we're gonna do. So as you can see, there's a lot of dust accumulated on these glasses. If it focuses long enough, you'll see the fuzz all around there. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wash these. We're gonna wash most of the items that were on my bar cart to clean them up and then put them back so everything is nice and shiny again. So now we're gonna wash my whiskey cups. As you can see here, they have a little bit of dirt on the bottom. You can see from this one too, this focuses long enough. But they're all dirty, so we're gonna wash these as well. Now I'm gonna wash this whiskey decanter as well. I love this decanter, but if it focuses long enough, you'll see the dust around here as well, which is really bad. And I also have another decanter. Here's my other decanter that I need to wash. If you guys see it, focus long enough. It's pretty bad, so we're gonna deep clean this one as well. this is the ice bucket that we need to clean up as well. It's a little dusty. I have all on the inside, but it's pretty clean on the inside. I haven't really used it, but we're just gonna clean it off and put it back on my bar cards. Here's another bar card accessory I need to clean. This is quite dusty as well. So as you can see here, if it focuses, you will see all the dust on the inside there. So we're gonna clean this up as well.